Alright, for the main loop we have to create a switch, and this is for the key event. Actually, shoot, wait a minute. Oops, made a mistake. While SDL or stroke whole event key event. So while it's going through the events in the queue, in the key event queue, it will do the following: switch key event dot type case SDL stroke key down. So when somebody pushes a key down, switch key event dot key dot eSIM, and this function right here will check to see which key actually was pressed down. So this whole case right here deals with keys being pushed down, and let's say case SDL key SDLK, we'll do SDLK up. So when the SDL key up was pressed, key up is true. It's our variable we declared back up the top, and break. And we'll do SDLK down. Okay, down is true. Break. Case SDLK left. Key left is true. Case SDLK right. Key right is true. Break. Alright, and then default break. Alright, now we have all the events for checking what key has been pushed down. We now need to check and see when keys have been pushed up. SDL key up, switch key event dot key sim. I wouldn't really worry about remembering all this. It's kind of stuff I look up when I'm creating one of these big switch statements. Check and see which key. It's not really common that you actually do make them, so when you do make them, just reference it somewhere. Case SDL key up. So if the up key was released, key up, then key up is false. The up key is no longer being pushed down, so the action that it's been set to should stop. We'll do this. I'll copy and paste. Save a little bit of time. And we'll change all these to false, or else the keys would never stop carrying out their action. And then default break. We should also put in a case for escape. SDL escape. Run is false. There we go. Now we have key up and key down. Alright, this actually is all you need. It's not all you need, but this right here will set and unset the keys that are being pressed. Now what we need is some way to check and see what keys are being pressed. So if key up equals true, destination dot key up means the player should move upwards, which means that the Y value where it's being blitted should decrease. So destination dot Y minus minus. Another good way to do this is destination dot Y, the Y destination value, minus equals speed. You can make a speed integer variable. That way it's easy to set the speed of them. Then after you change where it should be blitted to the screen, refresh to show the changes. If key down is true, key down is true, destination dot Y plus plus, increase the Y value, push it down. If key left equals true, destination dot X minus minus, move it to the left of the screen. If key understroke right is true, move it right, increase the X value. Alright, and that's that. Oops, forgot to refresh. Finish off the program. SDL free surface player, then turn 0. Alright, now let's build this. Hopefully I don't get too many errors. Oops. Should be in all caps. There we go. Now it should work. Building. There we go. 7 seconds. Make sure you have SDL.dll in your directory too. There we go. There's our little guy going around the screen here. I'm not sure why set caption didn't work. Oh, I didn't put it in, my bad. I'll show you that, guys, in a second. As you can see here, just like the way we programmed it, hold down the up key, it will carry it out, down, left, right, all that. Just like we programmed, and if we hit exit, or escape, quits. Let's see, let me show you how to set the title of your window. SDL understroke WM understroke set caption. Let's do SDL tutorial. There we go. Then, unfortunately, mine's black. I should change that actually, so I can show you this thing about the fill rect. Let me comment that back out. I'll change this to white. That way you can see it against the black background. Alright. Rebuild this so we can see our new title. Oh, and I forgot the colon. There we go. So as you can see here, it makes a annoying little It actually looks kind of cool, I'm not gonna lie. Because it's not deleting the previous image. It's not clearing the screen, so it doesn't show up anymore. As I was talking about, a way to fix this is fill rect, fill the screen, rectangle, fill rect, fill screen. No, I'm not sure why null's there. Not too familiar with it. All I do know is screen, fill null 0, 0, black. And then let's build this again. Make sure to put it before you blit and flip the screen, or else you'll keep filling the screen with black every time you try and show your image. There we go. See, nice and smooth. Gets rid of, clears the screen off before we move. That way, doesn't overlap. Overlapping does look bad in more colorful players, colorful surfaces. And that concludes the tutorial, guys. Thanks for watching, and make sure to check us out at infinitylogic.com.